Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best women's razor is probably one of the most important tools in a woman's beauty arsenal, promising a smooth, comfortable shave that leaves your skin feeling soft and radiant. But with so many razors on the market, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. This video will help you navigate the world of women's razors, exploring different types, features, and considerations to help you find the perfect match for your unique needs and preferences, ensuring a shaving experience that's both effective and enjoyable. Number 5. Panasonic ES-WL60G Razor. This electric razor is designed for a gentle and close shave, minimizing skin irritation. It's reusable and rechargeable, reducing waste. With 3 ultra-sharp floating blades and dual ultra-thin foils, it provides a fast and smooth shave. Glide it back and forth for efficient coverage. The hypoallergenic stainless steel blades prevent irritation and razor bumps. It's perfect for sensitive skin. It's waterproof, so you can shave in or out of the shower. It's easy to handle, even with wet hands. A travel cap and pouch are included for easy on-the-go shaving. The cordless charging stand provides up to 35 minutes of use. A convenient pop-up trimmer allows for precise grooming of sensitive areas. Get the perfect shave every time. What we like? It's cordless and waterproof, meaning you can shave anywhere, anytime. The 3 blades provide a close shave, reducing the need for multiple passes. If you're looking for convenience and a smooth shave, this is the razor for you. Number 4. Venus ComfortGlide White Tea Razor. Experience the ultimate in smooth shaving with the new Venus ComfortGlide White Tea Razor. Its unique design and soothing scent will transform your shaving routine. It features 3 blades for an incredibly close shave, leaving your skin feeling silky smooth. Say goodbye to irritation and hello to confidence. The gentle white tea scent of the lubricating soap bars leaves your skin feeling refreshed and delicately fragranced. No need for extra shaving cream. Its pivoting, rounded head effortlessly glides along your curves, reaching even the most difficult areas for a flawless shave. It hugs every contour of your body for a comfortable experience. These refills are compatible with all Venus razor handles, making it easy to keep your razor fresh and ready for use. Enjoy the convenience and value of this refill pack. Get the closest, smoothest shave with minimal effort. It's the perfect combination of technology and comfort. What we like? This razor boasts 3 blades for a smooth shave and a pivoting head that adapts to your body's curves. The white tea scent adds a luxurious touch to your shaving routine. If you appreciate a comfortable and fragrant shaving experience, this is a great option. What people say? The gel on them makes it easier to shave and not cut yourself. You don't really need a shaving cream. Gillette Venus ComfortGlide razors provide an incredibly smooth shave. The white tea scented gel bars are a lovely touch, making the experience feel luxurious. The razor works very well and leaves the skin smooth and non-irritating. Number 3. Schick Intuition Razor Refill. It's time to simplify your shaving routine. This razor features a built-in moisturizing bar, so you can lather and shave in one easy step. No more fuss with extra creams or gels. Experience the soothing touch of organic aloe. It's gently infused into the moisturizing bar, softening your skin as you shave for an incredibly smooth result. Developed with sensitive skin in mind, it's been dermatologist tested and is vegan and hypoallergenic. It's the perfect choice for a gentle and comfortable shave. With 4 blades and a pivoting head, it effortlessly glides along your body's curves. Get a close, smooth shave every time. Perfect for first-time shavers or anyone with sensitive skin, it minimizes nicks and cuts for a worry-free shaving experience. These refills are designed to seamlessly fit any Intuition handle you already own. It's the perfect, convenient replacement. What we like? It's a unique razor that lathers and shaves in one step, eliminating the need for extra shaving cream. The aloe vera bar soothes sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin and want a quick, easy shave, this is perfect for you. What people say? 1 blade lasts a couple of shaves and I never nick myself with these. The razor head also lasts quite a while and is easy to replace. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering. Its built-in moisturizing bar, infused with natural aloe and vitamin E, eliminated the need for separate shaving gel, making the process smoother and more comfortable. The 4-blade pivoting head adapted effortlessly to my body's contours, minimizing irritation. Number 2. Krovena Electric Shaver. Its detachable shaving head makes cleaning quick and easy. Simply press the button, remove the head, and rinse. Replacement shaving heads are available if needed. This shaver boasts a visible digital display showing the battery level. A full charge, taking only 1.5 hours, provides 20 to 30 uses. Remember to use a 5V1A adapter for charging. It features 3 high-performance blades for a smooth shave on legs, arms, underarms, and bikini lines. It's designed to be gentle, even on sensitive skin. Completely waterproof with an IPX7 rating, it's safe to use in the shower or bath. Simply rinse it clean under running water. This versatile shaver includes 3 blades to tackle different hair types and body areas. A built-in LED light ensures you don't miss a spot. What we like? This electric razor features a detachable head for easy cleaning and an LED light for precise shaving. It's also wet-dry, so you can use it in or out of the shower. If you value hygiene and precision, this electric razor is for you. What people say? It came fully charged. It says in the pamphlet using twice a week that the part that does the cutting should last 1 to 2 years. It had been just a few weeks on the legs and I don't have a lot, but it was longer, so first I used the curved blade quickly, then the foil head. This electric razor works very well and gives my legs a close shave very quickly. No pain. Of course the head of the shaver comes off, so it's easy to clean, too, and comes with a little brush to sweep it out. It's durable, unlike the last brand I purchased, which I had to replace after a couple of months. Number 1. Billie Women's Razor Kit. Experience a closer, more comfortable shave with our new razor kit. It includes everything you need for a luxurious shaving experience, right at your fingertips. The razor's ergonomic handle provides a non-slip grip, ensuring ease and control while you shave. Its pivoting head adapts to your body's curves for a smooth shave. It features 5 super sharp, nickel-free blades for an incredibly close shave. The aloe shave soap surrounds the blades for extra comfort and skin protection. Keep it conveniently stored and out of the water mess with the included magnetic holder. It easily attaches to your shower wall. Pair it with our Billie Whipped Shave Cream and travel case for the ultimate shaving experience. It's dermatologist approved and suitable for all skin types. It's been dermatologist approved, making it gentle enough even for sensitive skin. Enjoy a smooth, irritation-free shave every time. What we like? It comes with 5 blades for an incredibly smooth shave and a magnetic holder for convenient storage. The aloe vera soap ensures a comfortable shaving experience. If you want a luxurious and convenient shaving experience, this is the one for you. What people say? This is by far the best razor I have ever used. I got my mom and both of my sisters one because they are that good. I swear, it is the smoothest shave and now razor burn or razor bumps. My hair took way longer to grow back and was thinner and lighter when it did. The magnetic shower hanger is also great for keeping it right where you use it the most. This razor left me very smooth, and the moisturizing bar made my skin so soft. My leg hair is very dark and coarse, and in 6 hours time I feel like I have a 5 o'clock shadow. This is the first razor that has kept my legs feeling smooth all day long. Does a great job and is super easy to keep hygienic with the magnetic holder in the shower. I like this better than store brands like Venus. I have yet to order razor refills because the sharpness lasts for a good long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.